Number 1.
1962 Chevrolet C10, price $8,900, finished in a sleek silver exterior with a clean white interior, offering a timeless classic look. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. This C10 runs and drives, although it has mostly been sitting for the past few years and could benefit from some attention. It runs on gasoline and, like many trucks of its era, shows some rust, most notably on the hood and a few other areas. Still, with its solid foundation and vintage appeal, this truck would make an excellent weekend cruiser or a rewarding restoration project for the right enthusiast.
Number 2.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It features a turquoise exterior paired with a gray interior, and is powered by gasoline. The truck has been swapped with an LT1 engine and T56 manual transmission, offering a performance-oriented driving experience. Although it runs and drives well, the reverse gear occasionally pops out and needs to be held in place. It has been lowered 2 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear, giving it a sleek stance. It also utilizes a B-body wiring harness and does not have air conditioning. The automatic transmission has been replaced during the swap, and the overall setup makes it a standout choice for someone seeking a vintage truck with modern upgrades and a custom touch.
Number 3.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck is a well-maintained and great-running pickup that's ready for the road. Under the hood, it features a freshly built 400 small block engine with only 500 miles since the rebuild, offering both power and reliability. The truck is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a fun and responsive vehicle to drive, whether for daily use or weekend cruising. It also comes with air conditioning, although the system currently needs to be recharged to function properly. The rear tires are in excellent condition, while the front ones will need replacement soon. Overall, this Chevy 1500 combines classic style with a strong drivetrain, making it an ideal choice for someone looking for a dependable truck with a bit of muscle. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1985 Dodge D150, price $9,000, finished in gray with a red interior and automatic transmission. It's been swapped with a 6.0 LLQ9 engine and 4L80E transmission. The motor is mostly stock aside from an intake, headers, and a tune, making about 400 horsepower at the crank, and it's ready for a cam or ProCharger upgrade. The truck has been daily driven for the past 5,000 miles with zero issues, cruising easily at 80 miles per hour. It rides smooth thanks to a flip kit in the rear and van lower A-arms up front, keeping a factory-like feel. It's sitting on Detroit wheels with nearly new tires. Over $10,000 in parts went into the build, not including the truck itself.
A stack of receipts is included.
It still needs a windshield and gauge hookups, but overall, it's a strong, reliable, and sharp-looking Restomod.
Number 5.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. It features a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, both of which perform strongly. Despite no paperwork for the engine refresh, it runs exceptionally well. The truck underwent a fresh red paint job in January 2025, giving it a sharp, clean appearance. It has been meticulously maintained and comes with numerous new components, including all new steering components, a new steering box, center link, tie rod ends, pitman arm, as well as new upper control arms and ball joints. A new alternator has also been installed for added reliability. The Sierra is equipped with a leveling kit and features LED headlights, taillights, and a third brake light, though all the original lighting components are included with the sale. It currently has the steering column plastics removed, as the blinker assembly is being replaced. The truck will not include the weld wheels shown in some photos, but it will come with stock wheels wrapped in brand new Falcon Wild Peak H/T tires.
Number 6.
1991 GMC 2500, price $2,500, well-maintained classic pickup that combines reliability with recent upgrades. It has 89,000 miles on the odometer and features a tan exterior and matching tan interior. Powered by a 5.7-liter 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this 2WD long bed truck runs strong and is ready for both work and leisure. Recent improvements include a brand new fuel tank, fuel lines, sending unit, and fuel filter. The front brake pads have been replaced, along with new brake lines running from front to back. It also features a stainless steel dual exhaust system and new rear shocks for improved ride quality. The truck comes with 2 spare tires mounted on rims and has just received a fresh oil change, making it ready to hit the road.
Number 7.
1984 Ford F150, price $6,000, featuring a 302 Windsor V8 engine paired with a rebuilt transmission and a recently rebuilt carburetor. With 134,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a strong runner. The truck is 2-wheel drive and comes equipped with a new electric fuel pump, a new fuel sending unit, and a new battery, ensuring reliable starts and smooth performance. It rides on new tires and has received updated front and rear lights for improved visibility. Inside, an aftermarket tachometer has been added for better RPM monitoring, and all dash instruments are fully functional. Both the heater and radio work as they should, adding comfort and functionality to the cabin. This F-150 starts easily, runs well, drives smoothly, and brakes properly.
Number 8.
1995 GMC 1500, price $3,950. It features a stock 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives great with 146,000 miles on the odometer. The truck has a blue exterior and a clean tan interior, offering both classic style and functionality. Recently, it received a fresh oil and filter change, making it ready for continued use. The interior is in excellent condition and comes equipped with a nice aftermarket stereo, though the original factory radio is also included. While the truck remains largely original and untouched, it could benefit from a bit of bodywork and a new set of tires.
The frame shows some surface rust but remains structurally solid. Number 9.
1994 Dodge Ram 2500, price $7,500, equipped with the legendary 12-valve Cummins diesel engine, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. With approximately 266,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs, drives, and stops great. It comes in a white exterior with a gray interior and has a clean title. Originally from Tennessee, it was recently brought up to New York just a few months ago. The body is very solid with no rust, though it does have some dents, dings, and aging paint. As expected for its age, a few performance enhancements have been made, including a mildly turned-up fuel pump and advanced timing. It rides on nearly new tires and has received recent upgrades such as a new steering box, pitman arm, and steering shaft.
Number 10.
1995 Ford F150, price $5,500, solid and reliable truck with 153,000 original miles. It is powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and strong performance on the road.
The truck runs great with absolutely no mechanical issues.
Its exterior comes in a classic blue finish, complemented by a clean and well-kept gray interior. Recent maintenance includes brand new spark plugs and fresh coolant, while the tires have only 3,000 miles on them, ensuring it's ready for many more miles ahead. Running on gasoline, this F-150 is a great example of a classic American pickup that's both practical and ready to drive.